Hello guys, and welcome back to a new mountain biking adventure. Today's video I'm going to take a look at the RaceFace offset 35 rims in a 27.5 inch diameter, and also I'm going to build these wheels for my Polygon Siskiu T7, and I'm going to compare it with old wheels and install a new bike. So enjoy the video. So this is the rim. Feels pretty light. From the website, it's made out of aluminum 6069 grade. It's a stronger aluminum. So looking at the rim, they have the RaceFace logo, which it's pretty faded, which is nice. I don't like sticking out as my entity ones from Polygon. As the name says, the rim is offset, so basically it's a 4.5 millimeter offset on one side. That will help with the spoke tension on the drive side of the bike. I don't know if you can see, but it says RaceFace 35 offset, and right here on the bottom is the rim diameter 562, the offset 4.5 millimeter. So on the website, RaceFace claims that this is a 530 grams rim, plus minus 5. As you can see, it's a double wall rim. It's perfect for my Maxxis 2.5 wide track tires. So let's see how much actually it weighs. So let's take this box out. The rim. So the rim, let's say the rim weighs 521 grams. It's well in the specs of 503 grams. Feels pretty light, so that's very nice. So I'm going to start building this wheel. I'm going to pair this wheel, as I said, with a Shimano XT hub, a microspline, and I'm going to also use my tree stand. So here we go. The wheels are done. The rims came out pretty nice. This is the front wheel with the XT hub, and this is the rear wheel. Again, XT hub. I used my own stand to build the wheel. Both of the wheels. I had some issues with the spokes. The front wheel required 274 millimeter spokes. They were out of stock, but anyway, the rims were like building the rims were pretty easy. My other rims, it took a little bit longer to get them straight and dished. So it seems like these offset rims are building easier, at least in my experience. So let's let me show you. As you can see, round, everything is nice. I managed to from the front wheel I have 90% spoke tension difference, so 100% to 90%, and the rear wheel is 100% to 80%. So that's pretty good. build a stronger wheel. I put some mock-off tape. I used to use Gorilla Tape, but let's see how this holds up. Gorilla Tape, pretty happy with it, except when I have to take the tape off. It's a little bit more work, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna take the other rims off the bike, and I'm gonna take the tires off. I'm gonna weight both of them to actually see the difference. So this is the next step. I'm gonna take off these rims, which is the Polygon Entity rims XL2, and I'm gonna take off the tires and the brake rotors, and I'm gonna weight against the RaceFace. So actually these rims are, as I said in a couple of videos before, it's Ride Edge M35s, rims rebranded by Entity. So let's take that step and see the weight difference. Alright guys, so the last step to do is weight the wheels. So on the right side you have the RaceFace wheels, on the left side is the Entity wheels. So I'm going to start with the RaceFace wheels. I'm going to start with the front wheel. So the front wheel weighs 1.92 pounds. This is the RaceFace one. So let's put it back, and I'm gonna reset, and I'm gonna measure the front wheel of the Entity. So that's 2.4. So that's 0.5 pounds gain. So let's measure the back wheel for the RaceFace. So the RaceFace back wheel measures 2.2 pounds. And now I'm gonna do the back wheel of the Entity one. So the Entity brand wheel, let's reset this first. So the Entity one, it's 3 pounds. So in total, the difference on the back wheel is 0.8 with a 0.5. So the gain is 1.3 pounds. So that's pretty good. Last step, of course, I'm gonna set up tubeless the RaceFace, and I'm gonna mount it on the bike. So here you go guys, this is the result of the conversion. So new wheels on my Polygon, looks sick, all black, front too. I was really impressed the way they built. It was pretty fast, and it came out. I didn't have too much work on dishing and centering. So here you go. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.